Hi friends, welcome to an early morning departure. As I begin the takeoff roll, let me brief you a little bit about today's flight. आज की फ्लाइट है from the Kargil airport in Jammu and Kashmir to a very iconic and I would say controversial point in Kargil, which is called the point 5353. Point 5353 is a point which is at the very core of the controversy surrounding the Kargil war. We are we are taking off. Let me just show you the surrounding areas first. Microsoft has done a very good job in depicting the real you know real life like scenery. उन्होंने Google Earth का काफी इस्तेमाल किया है in terms of satellite imaging. They've used a lot of satellite imaging in this. And इसमें जो terrain data भी आप देखेंगे, it is very accurate. So now while I begin my turn to the west, let me just show you the beautiful sunset which is happening from the east there. And we slowly begin to turn to the west. This aircraft which we are using today is the TBM. It is a very, very good aircraft in terms of performance, being a turboprop. I did not want to use a jet because it obviously restricts the um, maneuverability to a bit when you're navigating through these tight mountains and tight turns. Let me just set my GPS as well here, and we'll go straight um, to the um, point 5353 in which we have activated here, and we can see that this terrain is so difficult to fly in and navigate in. Sometimes ये सोच के डर लगता है कि इन्होंने इस टाइम पे यहाँ पे कैसे नेविगेट किया था. So that is a map for today. We will be following this map and it will help us guide towards the Kargil sector. यहाँ पे देखिए ये हमारा एयरक्राफ्ट है और हम यहाँ जा रहे हैं. ये हमारा कारगिल है. सो वी आर a little right of course वो हम सही कर लेंगे, not an issue. But what I was saying is हाँ जी, ये terrain अगर आप देखें, just pardon my flying skills there. If you see these terrain, if you see this terrain here, it that difficult. It is so difficult to fly in between these terrains. मतलब ये सोच के डर लगता है कि during the war, how did our Indian army manage to navigate between these terrains? मतलब it is a marvelous accomplishment which the Indian army has achieved. And for us, we can only reflect on it, think about it, and be in the awe of it. And it is just too amazing. Just look at these valleys. I'll just show you an image from the cockpit. कैसे दिखता है ये? It is just too wonderful. Let me hide this map a little bit more so that आपको और अच्छा view मिलेगा. So that it is just too wonderful to look at right now. But imagining the situation जो ये 1999 में जब कारगिल वॉर हमारे देश के अगेंस्ट पाकिस्तान ने छेड़ दी थी, तब I'm sure none of our soldiers would have gotten time to absorb the beauty of this Kargil war. So जो point 5353 है where we are flying to today, it is अगर आप देखें, this is the border. This is the border. This is the actual border जिसमें point 5353 है. And इसके around the इसकी that is the LOC 0.5353 आज के दिन में is in the possession of Pakistan. It is not with India. As on date, it is with Pakistan, and that is the very point where the Indian um, territory ends. 0.5353. And the reason for its controversy is that जब कारगिल वॉर चल रही थी तब जो हमारे जनरल मलिक है उनको हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर से वाजपेयी जी से बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन थी कि लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल क्रॉस नहीं करना है चाहे जो हो जाए एंड दैट बिकेम अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रीज़न कि वो 0.5353 को कैप्चर नहीं कर पाए बिकॉज उसको कैप्चर करने के लिए नॉर्थ से आना पड़ता जैसे कि वो फ्लाइंग फ्रॉम दी वेस्ट अगर आप देखें तो नॉर्थ में यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान आ जाता है इनफैक्ट वी विल बी एंटरिंग द पाकिस्तानी एयर स्पेस टू गो टुवर्ड्स दैट अब क्योंकि ये सिमुलेटेड है वी कैन ऑब्वियसली डू दैट इफ इट वाज द रियल लाइफ सिनेरियो दैट वुडंट हैव बीन पॉसिबल ये हमारा इंडियन बॉर्डर है which depicts the line of control ये line of control की just ऊपर ही है ये 0.5353 so as we continue to fly there I would again like to remind you to look at this terrain and just think about our Indian soldiers actually navigating their way through these terrains and not only navigating facing the you know the tough atmosphere मतलब atmosphere को छोड़िए मतलब facing the blazing bullets उनके left and right से and they had to account they managed to cross through all these rough terrains and managed to get us victory and have this airspace where I'm flying over right now. I'm still over the Indian airspace. No, I think I crossed into the Pakistani airspace. We're just reaching the 0.5353 and I just have the map open here so that I can tell you the exact point where we are. So guys, this is the exact coordinates of 0.5353. So just like to circle here, this I believe is the okay. It is not really possible here to exactly depict, but yes, we can just leave that to our imagination that this is the exact coordinates of 0.5353 and as we proceed north or northwest from here we are inside the Pakistani airspace. As you can see ये जो border है it is this side of the border which is the Pakistani airspace. Now I'll just turn back to the east अपने देश की तरफ वापस मुड़ते हैं. See guys, it is a wonderful nature here to look at and these terrain data mind you guys जैसे मैंने बोला these are completely accurate तो जो इसका एलिवेशन है जो इसके कॉन्टूर्स हैं they are obviously like very accurate अब हाँ जी ये अब it is not very much possible कि ये मतलब पॉइंटर्स मार्क्ड नहीं किए गए होंगे but we can very confidently say that this is the 0.5353's exact coordinates and this is the location where it just separates the Indian side to the Pakistani side. It is just wonderful guys. मतलब I'm just in awe of this terrain and being a pilot, you know, if I ever get an actual real chance to fly this, it would be a dream. And let's get back, let's turn back to our nice old Kargil airport and we can proceed to head back. And this was also the airport. I forgot to talk about this airport. This airport also had a very key role during the Kargil war. This was a very major airport which was used not only as a launch site for many of our MiGs, but it was also used as a portal for delivering of supplies from the rest of India. Because even with the army, the biggest challenge in a war is logistics. अगर if they don't have equipment and food and medical aid for survival, दुनिया में कोई भी जंग नहीं जीती जा सकती है. So this Kargil airport played a very key role in that as well. इसने बहुत ही क्रिटिकल टाइम पे इतना ट्रैफिक लूप संभाला था एंड पूरे एरिया को इसने हेल्प किया था. अब आई बिलीव वी आर बैक इन दी इंडियन एयर स्पेस. हाँ जी, वेलकम बैक टू इंडिया गाइस. नाउ लेट्स we will be heading back to the Kargil airport and I'll be landing the plane there, and I'll just leave you for a few moments to enjoy the scenery over here. It is a very wonderful scenery, and I think everyone should, get a chance to experience this. I'm just turning on the autopilot so that I can just give you very good visuals and I can leave the flight to the. So guys, that was the little tour of uh, the Boeing 5353 at Kargil. If anyone wants to see my landing, they are very much happy to stick around. Or thank you so much for being a part and taking the little tour around the Kargil area for me. And it is a wonderful area, guys. If you can stick around, and we can talk a little bit more about aviation now. And so in these high terrains, flying can be very challenging. इसमें windward leeward जो winds होती हैं, they can create a very sudden downdrafts and updrafts in mountains, because of which we as pilots have to be very careful when flying over these mountain terrains. And it's always we maintain a thumb rule, which I'm not following right now, to maintain a clearance of at least 4 to 5,000 feet. But I don't think so I'm doing that right now because its height is only around 17,000, so it's only I'm just maintaining a little bit of a distance of 2,000 feet. So while we head back, I mean these valleys here are so beautiful. So sorry, I'm just trying to figure it out. These valleys here are so beautiful that इसमें आप बस you know कि आप बस शांत होके इसे देखते रहो. It is so peaceful, it is so relaxing. You don't need anything else. ऐसा जगह में हमें विजिट ज़रूर करना चाहिए. It would be one of my bucket list items to actually go and visit these terrains, maybe trek, do some trek there, do some camping there. Flying there would be like a cherry on top of the cake, but it is just too beautiful, too beautiful. So we are going back to the Kargil airport. And I think we just passed through the Kargil airport while talking to you. So the Kargil airport is right below. So we just try to circle there. We'll disconnect the autopilot and I'll go to my comfortable view now, which is the cockpit view. So let me show you a maneuver, guys, which we call as a steep descent. So it is not very difficult. So in this we bank the plane to more than almost 60 degrees, and we go into steep spirals to get the plane down as soon as possible. But these are mountain terrain, so I obviously cannot continue and do a full steep spiral. But it is a definite maneuver which comes in very handy in a lot of times. So we'll just find our airport. There's our airport, guys, and we will enter a traffic pattern and probably enter a left downwind or runway 2. There are the runway here is 2 and 20, and I think that is a very good space to enter the traffic pattern. And जैसे कि आपको दिख रहा है, we'll be landing on this runway, and we are very fast, so I'll try to reduce the speed over here. Flying in these terrains is definitely beautiful, but it also involves a lot of risk, as I said before, and it requires a special set of skills, because you don't only have to aviate, navigate, and communicate. The aviate part of it's way more difficult, and even the navigation of it becomes way more difficult, because unless you are just flying in between these mountains, it can actually get really difficult at times. I'm still very high and very fast, so I'm going to try and go into what we call as a forward slip to try and lose more altitude here and try to reduce the speed. It is going to be a difficult landing, guys. It is going to be a very, very, very difficult landing, because I'm very high and I'm very fast. But let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can make this approach. I think we can make this approach. We're looking good here, and this is our runway. Let's go, and we can have a very smooth touchdown. We are almost with a good landing speed. There's a flare, and a little hard, but it was a good flight. So there we are, guys. We are back at the place where we took off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and do stick around. It was one of my first videos on YouTube ever recording simulation videos. So I'm a pilot, and I love flying these airplanes and teaching you more about aviation and more about what it is to be a pilot and fly these airplanes using this great tool of a Microsoft Flight Simulator. So please subscribe, guys, and stick around. I'm sure we will have great adventures together in the time to come. And I would end with stay safe. It's the pandemic time. Stay safe, stay home, stay healthy.